Hey guys, welcome to another video where I am bringing you yet another exciting airdrop opportunity. If you haven't joined yet, don't worry, I have got you covered. Today I am talking about the MyGate Airdrop, which is similar to the Grass and NotePay. Basically, you will need to run a browser extension and earn points. As you can see, the funding and the other details aren't available right now, but the great news is that this is a confirmed airdrop. That's why I think you should join. As you can see, they have already shared their tokenomics and you will be earning MyG tokens. The total supply is around 1 billion and with 30% allocated to the community for this airdrop. You can check all the details on their official page. If you want the latest updates on crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. Also for the latest news and insights in the crypto world, you can check out our blog. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check a look. Now let's move on how you can join this airdrop. When you land on this page, I'll put the link in the description, so check it out. Just click sign in with Google. Select your email. And that's it, you are in. Next, you will need to click the download button. This will take you to the Chrome extension page. Simply click add to Chrome, then add extension. Once it's installed, open the extension and log in with the same email you used there earlier. Sign in and you are all set. Now that you are logged in, click on missions and rewards. Start by clicking your daily points. You will also see a bunch of tasks here. Make sure to complete them all to maximize your points. Want even more points? Share your referral link with your friends. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.